Hey there, welcome to Going English. We're so excited to have you here. In this video, we'll be teaching you 50 super useful English phrases. Make sure you repeat the words and write them down so you can remember them. And hey, if you want to stay up to date with all our latest videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for joining us. Let's begin. Hello? Hello, how are you today? Goodbye. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for helping me. You're welcome. You're welcome, anytime. Excuse me. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the mistake. Please. Please pass me the salt. Yes. Yes, I would like some tea. No. No, thank you. I'm not hungry. How are you? How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Julie. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. I don't understand. I don't understand this math problem. Can you help me? Can you help me with my homework? I need help. I need help carrying these boxes. I'm lost. I'm lost. Can you give me directions? Where is the restroom? Excuse me, where is the restroom? I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's grab some food. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Do you have any water? I'm tired. I'm tired after a long day at work. I'm bored. I'm bored? Is there anything fun to do? I'm cold. I'm cold. Can you close the window? I'm hot. I'm hot. Can you turn on the fan? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? I didn't catch it. How much does this cost? Excuse me, how much does this cost? Where can I find the nearest pharmacy? Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please? We're ready to pay. What time is it? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Where is the nearest gas station? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? It's sunny with a chance of rain. I'll take it. I'll take this one, please. Can I try it on? Can I try on these shoes, please? How do you say in English? How do you say hello in English? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please? I'm trying to understand. Can I sit here? Excuse me, can I sit here? I'm sorry to bother you. I'm sorry to bother you, but do you have a moment? Let me think about it. Let me think about it and get back to you. Can I have a refund, please? This item is defective. Can I have a refund, please? I'm looking for a good book to read. I'm on vacation. I'm on vacation, so I'll be out of the office until next week. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'm just going to grab a drink. It's not my fault. It's not my fault the package arrived late. I'm running late. I'm running late. Can we reschedule our meeting? I have a question. Excuse me, I have a question about the assignment. I don't know. I don't know the answer to that question. That's interesting. That's interesting. I didn't know that. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's implement it. I'll see you later. I'll see you later. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, please drop a comment and hit the thumbs up button. We'd love to hear your thoughts on what you'd like us to cover next.